Hello. Hi. Welcome to Read to Talk. This is a listening podcast in simple English. We speak slowly. We use short sentences. Today's topic is at the doctor and the pharmacy.
Hi everyone, I am Steve. I like this topic because I am always a little sick, just a little.
Steve, you are not always sick.
I am always dramatic.
Haha, yes. Today we learn simple English for a doctor visit and simple English for the pharmacy. We will use real-life sentences, easy and clear.
And hopefully, no scary needles.
Hopefully. Let's start. First, some very common words. Doctor,
Nurse,
clinic,
appointment,
medicine,
pharmacy.
prescription.
Prescription is the paper from the doctor.
Yes, exactly. Now, a few body words. Head,
Throat,
stomach,
back.
tooth.
Tooth is one, teeth is many.
Perfect. Now, common symptoms. Symptoms are what you feel.
Like, I feel bad,
Yes, headache,
fever,
cough,
sore throat,
stomachache.
runny nose. Runny nose is annoying.
Very annoying. One more important word, pain.
Pain.
Yes, pain is very important at the doctor. Imagine you call the clinic. You want an appointment.
I call, but I don't like phone calls.
Many people don't. Here are simple sentences. I need an appointment.
Is the doctor available today?
Morning or afternoon. And you can say, today, please. Tomorrow, please.
Tomorrow, please. I need time to be brave.
Now you arrive at the clinic. You talk to the receptionist.
Receptionist is the front desk person.
Yes. Hello, how can I help you?
Hello, I have an appointment.
What is your name?
My name is Steve.
Please sit and wait.
Okay, thank you.
Very good. Waiting is normal.
Waiting is the main activity at the doctor.
True. Now the doctor calls you. Hello, Steve. How are you today?
I am not great. I feel sick.
What is the problem?
I have a cough. I have a sore throat. And I feel tired.
Great examples. I have is very common.
I have a problem. I have many problems.
Today, only health problems. Do you have a fever?
I think so. I feel hot.
Any pain?
Yes, my head hurts.
My head hurts is very useful. You can also say, my throat hurts. My stomach hurts.
My wallet hurts after the pharmacy.
Steve. Now doctors ask short questions. When did it start? How long? Is it bad? Do you have allergies?
Allergies like to dust, pollen, or medicine.
Yes. Simple answers can be,
It started yesterday. It started 2 days ago. It is better today. It is worse today.
good.
I have no allergies. Or, I am allergic to penicillin.
Great. Only say that if it is true, of course.
Steve, one time I wanted to say I feel dizzy, but I forgot the word.
Oh no, what did you say?
I said, my head is dancing.
That is actually a good description.
The actor laughed. Then the doctor said, do you mean dizzy?
Perfect. Sometimes simple description works. You can say, I feel dizzy. I feel weak. I feel tired.
My head is dancing. I will never forget it.
Now the doctor gives advice. You need rest. Drink water. Take this medicine.
Rest and water, the classic combo.
Yes. The doctor may say, take 1 pill in the morning. Take 1 pill at night. Take it with food.
With food means after you eat.
Yes. Do not drive if you feel dizzy. Come back if you feel worse.
Come back. No, thank you.
But it is important. Now we go to the pharmacy. Steve has a prescription.
I have a paper. I have hope.
The pharmacist says, hello, how can I help you?
Hi, I have a prescription. I need this medicine, please.
Okay. Do you have any questions?
Yes, how do I take it?
Great question. Take one pill twice a day, morning and night. Drink water.
Okay, are there any side effects?
Side effects are possible problems from medicine. Pharmacist, you may feel sleepy. You may feel dizzy. Take it with food.
Sleepy and dizzy. My head is dancing again.
Sometimes you don't need a prescription. You can buy simple items.
Like cough syrup?
Yes, you can say,
I need something for a cough. I need something for a headache. I need something for a sore throat.
perfect. And the pharmacist may ask, tablet or syrup?
Tablet is a pill. Syrup is liquid.
Great. I choose syrup when I want to feel like a child. Now, one short conversation from start to finish.
Okay.
Clinic. Hello, how can I help you?
Hi, I need an appointment.
Doctor, what is the problem?
I have a cough and a sore throat.
Do you have a fever?
I think so.
Any pain?
Yes, my head hurts.
Doctor, drink water and rest. Take this medicine.
Okay, thank you.
Pharmacy. Hello, how can I help you?
Hi, I have a prescription. How do I take it?
Take one pill twice a day.
Great, thank you.
Perfect.
I survived the doctor episode.
Yes. Quick recap. Today, we learned English for the doctor and pharmacy. Useful words are doctor, nurse, appointment, medicine, pharmacy, prescription. Symptoms are cough, fever, headache, sore throat, stomachache, pain. Helpful sentences are I need an appointment, I feel sick, I have a cough, my head hurts, how do I take it?
And the best advice is drink water.
Yes. Thanks for listening to Read to Talk. See you next time.
Bye. Have a nice day.